DJI Neo Follow Mode, Smart Tracking in Action. The DJI Neo is a compact and powerful drone designed for effortless aerial filming. One of its most impressive features is Follow Mode, which allows the drone to automatically track and follow a subject without manual control. Whether you're running, cycling, or exploring, the Neo keeps you perfectly framed for cinematic shots. How does Follow Mode work? DJI Neo uses active track technology to recognize and lock onto a subject. Once activated, the drone autonomously follows the person or object, adjusting its speed and position to maintain a smooth and stable shot. Key features of Follow Mode in DJI Neo. Smart subject tracking identifies and follows people, vehicles, or moving objects with precision. Cinematic smoothness uses advanced stabilization for professional-looking shots. Customizable angles. Choose different tracking perspectives for creative footage. Hands-free filming. Perfect for vloggers, athletes, and adventurers. And now, let's put Follow Mode to the test. Stay tuned to see how well DJI Neo keeps up. Oops, Neo lost me. Found me again. Thanks for watching my video.